ready?
So this is how I grind in Call of Duty Mobile to get the Mythic AK117. So I'll be grinding 5 accounts, 2 Garenas and 3 globals. So let's open the Garena. So let's open Garena. Let's open my Garena account. So let's check the missions. Eliminate, no. Let's check the task. Let's claim the claimable missions. Let's add my other Garena account. So let's add. So okay. Okay, great. Let's start. I'm playing 2 accounts.
By blade or by bullet, I will see you fall.
So make sure the second account, you should move the second mobile phone to avoid getting kicked out from the game. And let's play a game again. Let's move this one again to avoid being kicked out from the game.
I will end you. Targets in sight. You've taken the lead.
Let's move this again to avoid getting kicked out from the game.
Deny me and be defeated. Targets in sight. Friendly shock RC.
So let's move this again. And let's move this again.
I will end you.
So it's done. We avoid one mobile phone from getting kicked out from the game. So that's how you do to grind for Mythic AK117 and grinding for 5 accounts. Grinding using 5 accounts. So this one is I'm grinding only 2 accounts. So because I only got 2 mobile phones. And let's start a new game again. So I always play here in shipment because the game here is fast. It only takes you a few minutes for one game. So if you want to grind much faster, play here in shipment. So when you're done playing for the day and you claim the and if you get the 4 daily catch, crate cash. So just claim it. Nice. So let's claim it all. Nice. Nice, 2 mythics. Nice. So I'm done grinding here in Garena, 2 accounts of Garena. So let's open 2 accounts for global. So let's open global, CODM global. Global. So what we did before, do it again. So this is my account, this is my global account, and this is the global account of my girlfriend. Of course, multiplayer, invite, okay, accept. So always shipment, because here in shipment, multiplayer shipment, the game is much faster. So start. So we play just like normal. And don't forget to move the second account to
Lost the lead. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV.
move the second mobile phones to avoid getting kicked out from the game. Okay, move again the second account. Then move again the second mobile phone. So we will not get kicked out from the game. And when you're done grinding for the daily crate cash, just get it. We're done grinding for the 4 accounts. Now we'll be grinding the 5th account. This is the global account of my daughter. Of course, multiplayer. Go to always team deathmatch and look for a shipment. This shipment. This is the shipment. Choose that shipment. When done grinding for the daily crate cash, of course you get it. Don't forget to get it. Nice, Mythic. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials just like this one, key mapping tutorials, do it yourself tutorials, reviews, and other content. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.